Radio New, Radio Papa, I'm music. Radio New, Radio Papa, I'm music. Thank you.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Another one this pounds and dollar track this. Just smack this. And we really got to you to track this. Every day. Don't see bad mind bone them. Cause this I really got to want them. And I will pray every day. Even if more money, more problem. But get to you still a solve them. You work hard here.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Put in here, bribe near. Every youth want passion. Me refuse to broke like I do beats, but I let me pay them. So we pray every day. Don't see bad mind bone them. Cause this I really got to want them. And I will pray every day. Even if more money, more problem. But get to youth still a solve them. This year get to youth a buy car. We now go flex with taxi. So we also figure with the car. We are flexing big today.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Fluffy girl, two of them wine and bubble, make me love them. Big up all of the manga girl, and the fluffy girl when we say. Hey, Ghana, London, this a fi me fluffy girl, them fi wine pan. Jamaica, America, every fluffy girl, cat pan a tune ya. Love all them if them that. The way them want me and fit out, oh God. Love all them wine and cat them fi me. Somebody come here fi me grab. I feel me girl in fat and sexy. Mampy, mampy, mampy. This a fi the fluffy girl. Say now I'm also a tune and me feel me. Mampy, mampy, mampy. Lo lo lo. Everywhere me go, be a bag of fluffy girl a call me. Say them have some food don't forgive me. Any day me touch you, them swam me. Inna the road, them not stop from spray me. Them love me bad, so me get them easy. Them have some underneath well squeezy. But you need to me love all them sexy. And the fluffy girl them with me say. I feel me girl in fat and sexy. Mampy, mampy, mampy. This a be the fluffy girl them. Say now I'm also a tune and me feel me. Mampy, mampy, mampy. Lo lo lo. Junior, now no intro.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Radio New, Radio Papa, Radio New, Radio Papa, Radio New, Radio Papa, I'm music. Thank you.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Oh, I mean you there. I just know that dog makes my dream know, yeah. Oh, I mean you there. I got no great to dance my disco, yeah. Oh, I mean you there. Whenever no great to shine the light, oh. I mean you there. My man no sleep there all night, oh, yeah. Oluwani, sissing, I got where they make me the fresh like this, oh. Oluwani, sissing, I got where they give me the things I need, oh. Oluwani, she na my life, this I be telling me, oh. Oluwani, the point of the shout, the point of the shout, oh, yeah.
It be like you the envy. But
Cause now my money be plenty. But when you did the time I walk up for them, I say me me buto mu aka me 20. Me sick a sem carry the busi and the penguin. Till the ben I me picture chemfe. We used to perform for free. Now you years who are there, don't have come Mr. Prempe. The poverty was changing my destiny. The enemy was killing the best in me. We hinting at the Tyrene, cause we made WCW, Tracy and Stephanie. We used to be the boys for the backstage. Can't play with sad face. Now with the cruise Panamera, you the talk shit, but I want to be my back case. Life will be backstage, though.
Oluwani, you don't see Oluwani. Oluwani, shebi you don't see Oluwani. I don't see Oluwani, shebi Oluwani. Oluwani, shebi you don't see Oluwani.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa.
Hello Ghana, hello Ghana, hello Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Come over, Coco's Agora, and show better. Yeah, call my parent, and show better. Madonna, come over, Coco's Agora, and show better. Yeah, call my parent, and show better. Hey, when in the test, some could eat Kaji, Yakudi, Kuyi, Suru Kudi, Kaji, Wanga Waka, Bawasabani, Kaji, Kofani, Kaji. I said, yo, bro, no one cook up, Pussy, my twin bro, when your band so make a tame and yambo. Don't come up. Tell the man you not believe in me style. Tick tack, all feeling the boy 6 pack. Make on the straight, also zigzag. Big bats dancing, bats to the 6 track. One Talamila, one Tenameda. Come to a Fia, say it's a Mandela. Forget to one penna, on no crown and henna. Mr. Kamijawa, and show better. Madonna, come over, Coco's Agora, and show better.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Money sweet spaghetti me the problem. Open your mind, be your awareness. Now we know what you want, we never back up. Roll the enemy up, smoke like ganja. Jungle party is a liquor. She your bank and go. Miss Bobo, check it on me at that book. Check it on me, check it. My bed, she my bed. 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 Oh, your body talk. So tell me what's the code.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I get sativa. Cause I got it. Downtown to Ouagadougou. Then feet to
Radio Papa. Radio Papa. I'm music. Thank you.
The Mid-Morning Show, the Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Live on the set, yo. Listen up, yeah. Although we be day, I said they wouldn't conflict. And Shami body would on me young condition. I live him, I know my come to me pump it. Who don't think jammy, my miss swing, guess a monkey. Who just say me boy, bushiame. No what plot to be mal with buashi. Who shall name me cause, beg you two and I'm swatting. On this year, by me showing me twatting. I'm a yard. Why would you send me no baby call? With the gas if I was a woman, this up. But me now would do it on this to make tea call. Mamma said, what was who on the 24th? Cause I guess
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Timu de gume so ben fede me. Send me to kusike gu so en kwere me. Me wo krebi akane bonya na fene me. Go bibi ni me do mu obi kan sin akwele bi. Me do wudi mu sin Flourish Nightingale. Won again, but before feet try mingle. Who tell me boy, you go watch me die single. Behind all the success, you be you my angel. But more thing in the pose, mommy. Tell me what you like, clothes and money. You be the one I chose to marry. Me see Pierre Cardin in Pam Coty, mommy. Make go ghost to mommy. Me jima buying to say political party. My cry ammunition in me 20 for karate. Honduras, Bahamas, Hawaii. I go take you everywhere. Wala.
Xylophone music.
Yeah, live on the set, yo. Let's go. Cover it up now. Live on the set, yo. Listen up, yeah. Although we need me, I said you wouldn't conflict. And show me body would on your young condition. I live in my no nama come to me pumping. Who the thing jamming my miss swing this a monkey. Who just say me bua, bushy ame. No what plot to be my with buashi. Who shall name me cause beg you two and I'm swatting. On this year by me showing me twatting. I'm
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
But me now would do on this to make tea call. Mama say what possible who on the 24th. That's the against
Nega wutina mi brain. Zeka beya kukungu mame. Nega wutina mi brain.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Flourish Nightingale. Won again, but before feet try mingle. Who tell me boy, you go watch me die single. Behind all the success, you be you my angel. But one thing in the pose, mommy. Tell me what you like, clothes and money. You be the one I chose to marry. Me see Pierre Cardin in Pam Coty, mommy. Make go ghost to mommy. Me jima buying to say political party. My cry ammunition in me 20 for karate. Honduras, Bahamas, Hawaii. I go take you everywhere. Wala.
And who are those saying Obibini is not a good rapper? Alright, so music from Obibini and Dave Maestro, the cause this one could go home, mommy. That brings us to 25 minutes past the hour and you tune into the best mid-morning. Certainly, we are here on your radio from 9 to 12 p.m. Trust me, we're about to give you good music cause today it's a Friday. Now, yes, indeed, it is a big Friday. You're here on 93.3 FM. My name is Jenny Mechampon Boatin Cosmos. Call me Bruce Money. Call me a Branty the perfect gentleman. Call me Kobina Costi. Big shouts to DJ Shabo, Mr. Charles, Nanato Pahen, and also Akosiada Padumas for being behind me each and every day.
Xylophone.
Yamobi Akwaba.
Live on the set.
Obi an what to say. Yamobi Akwaba the Bahen kind 93.3 of and then Friday, Charlie. Let's do away all the negative minds. Yeah. Now when in Jano pay, yeah, Friday, we're going for the weekends. And what else do you expect? Mid-morning, Juma was who goes out with you in case you just tune in. Higher Henkai FM.
Yo, listen up,
Right, so my bro motivational message. But let me tell you this. Good things will come to you if you focus on the positive and let's go off the negatives. Good things will come to you if you focus on the positive and let's go off the negative. Yes, I tell you, do away all the negative thoughts and still focus on the positive ones. And I'll pay my one won't be the amount. Yeah, and you see that song. When I heard that song for the very first time, I said to myself, "Yo, this song is going to be a hit." Yes. This song is gonna be a hit. DSL or say Boys Patrol. Somebody have that song for me. Boys Patrol. What him say? Then Cho ye Gianni me. And of course, Boys be brave pe Gianni. Me myself, I like Cho. Me pe Gianni pa. Joe say Gianni ne biya boys ye bedi.
Like clothes and money.
Ye Patrol. Pop. Somebody if you have the song for me, let's go.
Records.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
DSL. Another one again.
It's Dr. Ray on the
friend, I've been waiting for this moment many days. Now the time is due, so let us jubilate. Want a girls will be coming here from far away.
Show Charlie Radio so I tasty. If it's a meeting, Kabana Costi. That was Ahenkai FM 93.3.
Party time again, summer time again. A party time again because it's summertime again. We party all night until the morning comes on. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Petrol, and they video.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Charlie Bonabi, Boys Petrol, and they video. Bonabi, Boys Petrol. Yeah, see everybody have it on this way. This are the only place where I make man play. Alright then, put them on them on a plate. Buckle a Guinness, make them drink all day. London Brown, me see it and frown. Tell them me no bun grabber, hard lift me born. Back from me born, me party can dance. See me never know when, me I go dead and gone. See our party I want so the raving non-stop. And I dance, we a dance till the last man who drop. That's why me do me one thing and me no watch nobody. Life is sweet, enjoy with somebody.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
We party all night until the morning comes on. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Petrol, and they video. Bonabi, Boys Petrol. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Petrol, and they video. Bonabi, Boys Petrol.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Kalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costi.
I've been waiting for this moment many days. Now the time is due, so let us jubilate.
Alright, so music from DSL.
Coming here from far away.
And then he is the winner of Mentor X.
From today to one
Yeah.
because
So
time again,
this song,
time again, summertime again.
in fact, I knew actually time I was performing him on stage.
Summertime.
And I was like, yo, I have to search for this song and play on radio.
We party all night until the
I mean, the guy is a star already. Hey, we party mope and on a yeah bench. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol. Hey, Bonabi, Boys Patrol. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol.
and they
Send your boys to pay Gianni.
Boys Petrol.
At the point you say, Shabo repeating you in the send your boys to petrol.
Let's wreck
Cho need the air there.
DS.
I don't pay at the powder. Cho ben at the other pay. Go back. Shabo Cho ben on the powder. Eh, I know you're fasting. Me a chop watch it.
From far away.
I don't pay Cho, I'm the watch it. If I had boys petrol. Summertime again. A party time again. Summertime again. A party time again. What's the day? Yeah. We party all night until the morning comes. Yeah. Yeni mi amopa eno na ye beje. Hey, Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol. Charlie Bonabi, Boys Patrol.
See everybody.
All right, so send in your messages through 0594841044. And on Friday, the energy is activated. Yeah, Peja your memory at the end of Friday. It's a freestyle Friday. And of course, we do things like nobody's business. This is the only show that breaks every rule on radio, especially on Fridays. Right, so I'll bring you motivational message and popular request from a lot of people. I say you say you're repeating your OBM because anyway instant hate. But you know what? Let me go on and do my motivational message first. Don't worry. I remember what DSL Lit Face Boys Petrol beautiful composed music. Yeah, Dr. Renzo why Jumanina. And I don't know why people are saying Richie wants to cash out from this guy. Nankade. Now he has won a car, won some cool amount of money, and then he will be signed to Lynx Entertainment. And Richie is the boss of Lynx. So definitely Richie, would cash out big time, because this guy is an international asset. Trust me. This guy go shake Lynx Entertainment. This guy go shake Lynx Entertainment. DJ Nelson said you were in the band Shabo Bobby Mano. Nelson, you chose this morning. DS. And you know, chop. Another one. It's Dr. Ray. I've been waiting for this moment many days. Now the time is due.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Girls will be coming here from far away. Yeah. Make we party from today to another day because it's summertime again. A party time again. Summertime again. A party time again because it's summertime again. Yeah. We party all night until the morning comes on. Yeah, nimnia mope elona yeah. Charlie Bonabi, boy spectro, and they video Bonabi, boy spectro, and they video Bonabi, boy spectro. Boys petrol, and they video Bonabi. Boys petrol, 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 and they video Bonabi. Boys petrol, Shadi Bonabi. Boys petrol, and they video Bonabi. Boys petrol. Yeah, see everybody have it on this way. This are the only place where I make man play. Alright them, put them on them on a plate. Buckle a Guinness, make them drink all day. London Brown, me see it and frown. Tell them me no bun grabber, hard lift me born. Back from me born, me party can dance. See me never know when, me I go dead and gone. See our party I want so the raving non-stop. And I dance, we a dance till the last man who drop. That's why me do me one thing and me no watch nobody. Life is sweet and joy with somebody. So be start make it shake that body. Yeah. We party all night until the morning comes. Yeah. What's it bien? Charlie Bonabi, boys petrol. Yankoi. Bonabi. Charlie, I could do something along for you. Yeah, Yankobi, I could do something along. Come with your baby, okay, my interview. Yeah, so I could do something along some more. Go back some more. Give me something along. And right, so big shouts to Rejoice if you beam. Yeah, nimnia mope eno na je beje. And they video Bonabi, boys petrol. Shadi Bonabi, boys petrol. And they. All right, so let's move on to our motivational message. Hey, I don't know why people are loving this song. Hey, Charlie, one shot, guy. This 2022, they're better now. Trust me, DSL will go far. And I wouldn't be surprised because now he is under Lynx Entertainment. Lynx. What I say? Yes, he did it with Ziggy. You said it.
And with Easy.
Party time.
With who else?
Summertime.
Asem.
A party time again.
Me person my squad True Richie. Their names were everywhere. So Asem, Ziggy, Miss V, Easy baby. Now Kiddy, Kwame Eugene. I mean, dope notion so at a time so kosho kakra. I'm put them contract and chair like 6 or 5 months and then they left. Now it's DSL and trust me, this guy go make Richie cash out big time.
This are the only place where I make man play. Alright them, put them
now you got motivational message.
Make them drink.
Charlie, make her be gentle some more. Right, so big shouts to you, DJ Nelson. DJ Nelson, big shouts to you, big shouts to DJ Nelson. Charlie, what buy me who? Sabo Nelson ba who no? Usu who no? Almost why am re. Okoy energy na onya grow odini nya komo obi. Na wan efe. Obi an hu no usu na wan efe. Me oba mi hu no ba da be. I think it's about Wednesday, oh. Oba mi hu no. Next Charlie from video call na me share with him kakra. Na ma feel. I mean, last time I mean who and the guy you status na me who na what am to do. And I'm a subtle voice be of none and piece of him. Only min chemana. Only thousand. Now we yan some piece of him near the affair share mu biom. Men santo aswa na ya minjai kan. That's one tram by minjai kan. Na chire mama nkofo wu se. Obra ko bo piece of him no. How type it. Was a Masadeji. Alright, so my motivational message and every Friday. It is showing you don't let the sadness of your past or the fear of your future ruin the happiness of your present. Don't let the sadness of your past or the fear of your future ruin the happiness of your present. I'll put your crash house when you sometimes things are not going well as expected. Send our planning your man and sometimes echo. You see, Indra, our planning is saying, I'll be cash it out big pan our shop. And send our customers and shut down bassa. Me patcho and no pay catch us men fast sadness no and fun show a trip. Nature won't run a trumuko. Focus on today. Men man Indra, what real will be a woody and say and ne any jail was on Saka. A trip Marco, near a scene a series. We had want to mean correcting the back. No, a see. It's an opera make a choice. I'm a patch up. Mama, a dear be a sale mood yesterday, and a dear be a sale mood some time ago. Mama at the chrono and say, and the papa be a that when he was on Saka. Germany encore. A free ones are washery, what soup, what the war, what Cassan watching. Me patch Jemuna encore. Mama, sadness no. And say your happiness. I was selling Saka and now say a die at that one. It's an open crash as a money. Don't let the sadness of your past or the fear of your future ruin the happiness of your present. Good morning and come on, rejoice if you are being and also my handsome nephew Jaden. I call out on 2 years, so to me far from no friend of her. No, hey. Me offers we premani ro. On 1 Profon go hey. Oh, premani ro. 41 after 10. Our daily dose of motivations was brought to you by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Yeah, co weekends. We'll be programs and the If I join you, be an hour so man who come more than the food chow. And he said, once we are pre-money, I will co program. No, make sure say all the photographer be do with Chiako. You see, we are saying, yes, sir. And your man so good, yes, sir. And can now come be an anchor or drain of phone or train, so charger no. You're beginning the baba. And as I will train cross our power bank in the food, send your bear. Or quite wait when you and phone in the idea of phoning Kodum. Is easy, and no master sound. No master sound. See, our boys be piano photographer, the Omochi. So why already so we pre-money and why pre-money precon? And you Pia. Me Christmas, and I say holidays, Pia be piano, made me photographer coy. It will be our baby, no capture crack, no capture crack. But your Color Studios are available for all days. And the weekend we will call the we will call wedding, we will call party, engagement. But your photographer, the way you go. Don't capture all the beautiful moments. And then we had that chibi with like I said, so I went here and I took this picture. Sadly, I say my main cannon. Send mama in 2022 young Connie Sabi. Send mama into boys be brad jiggers and number of chrome hapa. What you was on your bit to me shower your phrase upon bra wouldn't nim get no baby. So she should name with you. Now the phone they try to put it. Sister, she will travel. For now, I'm not sending mom. See, idea. A man and my mama, Bobby. Why be out in the phone, but try your phrase, Yana? On the vestry, be an baby, I will be event to be able to be. Obey the phone, but child picture, like I said, sister, the child, for no harm, never said what's up. Never trouble email address, man. For email address, man, not fun to me. I could download you. It's a boy, some connection. For your man as well. Sabio phone, shut down your papasano. I am my Color Studio, the Dimuchina. What's my sort of one time? My boy, beyond take advantage of picture of the child, find your number. Ya bravo chrome. Send him mommy for. Then get be my 2022. And I'm not one time. Pie with yes with him. Amen. Color Studio Zebra. All your wedding photography, birthday, studio, passport. I'll be announcing your embroidery, school, crest embroidery, shirt Lacoste, and face star embroidery. You're training conform for some entity with photo shoot, camera handling, video editing, video shoot. Locate here, watch more than Upsit Kino Pharmacy. 0245276638. 0245276638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Hashtag Chen Wasase. Hashtag where they your land. Hashtag Wasase way. The Patriot Tasase 2022. And Fasikanian Pie Buckle of Guineas. Sunny ideas the kind of Buckle of Guineas. Buckle. I feel the Casa Ebision Kruma de Mujo Chain. But Kappa to Ania de Egna. The Casaba Compass Mission Swahili. Swahili and Pesa Mission is here. Mission Swahili, dear. A chroma. What's it mean to now? Drop me the drum no. Pepper chop buckle of Guineas, no. Oh, no man, now service can be. Now the baton says 0553044069. 0553044069. Alfie. Pepe no money adia. Pepe told Pepe no. Oh my God. Imbus help make sure money also Pepe no. Imbus help make sure. And no, and I was a Pepe no. Mr. I rank it to get to be a to be. I would draw a imbus help make sure. Say I read it to such as our immune system on any holding. And I say immune system on I am ready. The patch ma onsa enka imboost helba mixture. For drugstores is here. Na ko pebito Bobby. Now if you into your rank and be as my friend 0246 208496 and I say 0540710113. Ndrowenya FBA afhwehwem agiato. Saturday 2020 about 2021 wow. Brofo a GD pa. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA. And our here, all COVID-19 protocols would be observed. Saka Sam you know GD 2020-2021 pa. 2022 years. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA. And that all COVID-19 protocols would be observed. Yet, Singapore, free a shake as I was at TV. Nanka, when I get ya, Gidin Kagra. What's an for Umofia? Umofia, the near Sians so groomer. Or do to my country say you are not talking to a nation called Ghana, but rather a nation called Imofia. Meanwhile, Imofia is never a nation. Imofia no be nation. You think we don't read eh? You think we don't know books eh? Timbe try and throw groomer. Alright, so this is our daily dose of motivation. Shabo. Popular request says play DSL Boys Pecho Boys Pejiani. And Mami Kai message this one says come now what's the meaning of Cho? Cho means Adriani. Cho Adriani. Obi Oko like I wanted to say Obi Oko boys school but when your boys school I say Cho the I think say Obi a mewa Cho the atopanya prempe na mo kan Adriani saying Chona. It's the Cho the Adriani. It's the boys be answer so pecho. Boy be a pecho. Right, so let's go.
Manis Record.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
It's Dr. Ray on the beat. I've been waiting for this moment many days. Now the time is due, so let us jubilate. Most of girls will be coming here from far away. Yeah. Make we party from today to another day because it's summertime again. A party time again. Summertime again. A party time again because it's summertime again. Yeah. We party all night until the morning comes on. Charlie Bonabi. Charlie Bonabi, boys petrol, Nabi, boys petrol, and they video Bonabi, boys petrol. Charlie Bonabi, boys petrol, and they video Bonabi, boys petrol. Yeah, see everybody have it on this way. This are the only place where I make man play. Alright them, put them on them on a plate. Buckle a Guinness, make them drink all day. London Brown, me see it and frown. Tell them me no bun grabber, hard lift me born. Back from me born, me party can dance. See me never know when, me I go dead and gone. See our party I go so the raving non-stop. And I dance, we a dance till the last man who drop. That's how I me do me one thing and me no watch nobody. Life is sweet, enjoy with somebody. So being start make it shake that body. Yeah, me yeah. We party all night until the morning comes on. Yeah. Yeah, near my bed, yeah. Charlie Bonabi, boys petrol, and they video Bonabi, boys petrol. Charlie Bonabi, boys petrol, and they video Bonabi, boys petrol. If I'm a big Ghana jollof, okay, I enter the hall. Now info, shall it be more the fuck? Neddy Cho, whether good or bad. Charlie be hand to my frover, name ya do go. Name ya jet to below the quiver, name ya go. Mala waka me last hour, me say ho. We are see a damper. Margin me want taba. Me they have to do. I'm alarming Nubia. What come in last hour? Me they say ho. We are see a damper. Margin me want taba. Me they have to do. I'm alarming Nubia.
Party all night until the morning comes. And certainly, Yenimniamo Point and 1 year by Mamo 93.3 of big shouts to my man Kobe Praise. Doing the listening inside Kobe Praise, electricals and phones, accessory shop. Saying a big shouts to you. Kobe is asking, where did I get this song? You know, I'm the main man to the main man. First time I play on radio, the whole gun will be on board, trust me.
The time is due, so let us jubilate.
The whole gun will be on board more radio, so first time I play Kobina Costi, you heard it first. Alright, okay, so my man official, you heard it first on Menthol last Sunday. I know it was a live performance, it wasn't a record song. Yes, so you heard the record song first time airplay on Ahenkai FM with Kobina Costi. Unyani baby, trust me. Hey, bragging rights, no. Asoko. Eno na yebe. Chalbona me, boys patrol. Hey, bona me, boys patrol. Chalbona me, boys patrol.
And they video, bona me. Everybody have it on this way. This are the only place where I make man play. Alright then, put them on them on a plate. Buckle a Guinness, make them drink all day.
I'm good, feel alright. Got me shake body, oh yeah. No matter what we there, feel the magic in the air. Feeling good, feel alright. Got me shake body, oh yeah. No matter what we there, feel the magic in the air. Now come dance to the beat, bend down, shoulder, shoulder. Bend down, 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 dance to the beat.
Is to dance crazy shaku. All the fine girls, where are you? Guara guara for the good. Holiday, it's the holiday when I step in the yard, babe. Any day, say any day, I will give it to you, babe. So wine, oh my girl.
Last two. Don't sweat it. Guts and grind, baby. Last two.
Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride.
Enemy see them no be God, oh. Then once see my downfall, oh. But the boy them know the flop, oh. Me across my hands I choke, Zanku, 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 zanku. Zanku, 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 zanku. Enemy see them no be God, oh. Then once see my downfall, oh. But the boy them know the flop, oh. Me across my hands I choke, Zanku, zanku, zanku.
say radio so I tasty. It's a meeting kwa bena costi. That was Ahenkan FM 93.3.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Alright, so big shouts to Adra Robert Family sees KFM. Shawo, you know something? I want to prove Adra wrong. Adra said I don't have a singing voice. Adra Robert Family. I control. I used to sing in the choir. I used to sing in the choir. Share. It's your way. Alanga, tutu bro, alanga. Adra, you see, I'm proving you wrong. Young come here, okay, say. It's your way. Alanga, tutu bro, alanga. And I still now see I don't have a singing voice. Playa Playa Honey Hawk. Hey! What's a special greetings to my mom, Mammy Fiamanza in Achimosroso, Jerusalem. I see Timayan kind more petrol do. I see if you don't have a singing voice, I don't want to control that I don't have a singing voice. I do, Papa. I ain't kind boys in there, Joe. One more petrol, Papa. The way the boys they eat for this house, eh? Me self sometimes I dey shake. Hey, mami mo body. Mami mo boys no mo petrol, mami mo mo di. I'm a president, say DJ Nelson. DJ Nelson, I am a president. On petrol off. I'm a second vice. I am DJ Toxic. Toxic is super petrol, papa. No twas will be. Hey, coffee Jiri. No twas will be. Hey, Kusi. At the point, you know, or a senior minister. It's in a man body, you know. What are the one folk be saying? Adriani. I know Adriana son of American. And that's one Adriani. Oh, the your boss. 100 at the point. And I'm at the point here, senior minister. It's only that somebody news. What I say? It's all Adriani Panama Bono. Listen. You're the kind of DJ Nelson or Petrol, Papa. And now for DJ Toxic. What's the name Friday? We are about the way from Pizza Fair. On a toss number 2. Coffee G number 3. Kusi number 4. How Kusi cries over number 3. Yeah, Kusi number 3 man can hear gra. And AJ number 4. Opoku asompe. Ja ho obedi wodu an sisi a. I go break your rabbit dear. I want to some of cow global. But the energy himself foolish boy, but you let him go here. Alright, folks, I'm going to break your rabbit. But you see more music here on 93.3 of FM. I can say, yes, I know on the mid-morning. And Friday, a legendary hour. Yes, so today on our legendary hour, we have Kosi P. If you ever Kosi P, we play his songs and also, you know, 1 or 2 things about Kosi P, which you probably may not know. So stay tuned on the 3.3 FM. Your
I know bitters here, Droby, and I'm Mississippi, I am a yay, and so men no man no bitters, no. I don't know Manumbi. I'm a twice in Tinim and I treat me. I treat me by name, which is shimmy, said the Yamia Domina, a giant.
Madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom one bottle ti say me ne yiri da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa fan fabra mo
me din de ya mensa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye e ko bibia akoka makama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bia eye se me ne me yiri ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika ko tobi me no me ye no yare no akọ
asa no bi tese no de deserve pa ase nsisi ye ne ya to ya nso no me ni nyina akọ me ka kere obi o no ma no bi tese ne ya deserve pa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya
ano heba bitters na ano heba capsules enure yu ko tobi atoni mienu ebom ubanya bi ato e wo atemoda ha ochini ba drugstore na Ghana ha drugstore bia heba shop bia ubanya bi ato no bitters ano bitters.
Hey Jack, it's a bookshop or pass what town and I won't catch him.
Oh, Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Asemna Woken. Say test books, exercise books, pen, pencil, eraser, adie bia e fa adesua hono. Would we reach them Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise on Sabe Kabi. You will book no any free crèche, ekopim tertiary institutions in Engina. Anything sorry offices. And now we be bookshop kese and I will pay books in the gumwa. Also call them one sa ebe kabi kai. National song. Say, ye turn in the doso poom, so and I open back pa on sa ebitumiaka. Akim Odan Supermarket, yani GCB Bank no and a D and shady moon. Fraying was 0244-293632. And I say 0203-083031. Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. Mark of excellence.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere who by no, and Nasa wonum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabri bia, ya rientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now yamwa suing no, a way a home buying every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are dimpinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your tone in row. At to form fresh 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia ehrampa.
Ha, eya ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ni na call limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne na nsan kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eya parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina firo. Na edia ba de na wo ahura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Biny snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won se hu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma setakra de tamale ho sunyane nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
mame number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso amudi ni body say
JA Biny and call limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Oh yo na 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 ay
Queenie Sean on it.
You know you a queen like me, go down right now.
Dope Nation. You think say we no go fit it's about to get lit Bend down, Charlie, miss it dang. Bend down, Charlie, make you bend. You think say we no go fit it's about to get lit Bend down, Charlie, miss it dang. Bend down, Charlie, make you bend. Oh yo. Oh yo. Ay. If you know you're a queen like me, go down right now. Hey. Oh yo. If you know you're a queen like me, go down right now. If you are mommy beat, but repeat mommy key on the speed. A fancy queen, me tryna neat. You to no believe in me, feeling me, freaking me, needing me. must be me be mommy beat but repeat mommy key on the speed a fancy queen me trying to neat you to no believe in me feeling me freaking me needing me a be must be me back challenge oh yo yeah if you know you're a queen like me go down right now
my sending yakopon WhatsApp we really go be reply Tuesday me that's what think we man mean with that be the taste of grace I see me so below na me no more better than any ace of spade. And she ran around for create some space cause it gets some weight. Bug my willing James. I'm a movie says he can buy with some more than a yak. Come on, Monte. Say a song and me be a nipper beer to me and by a main king. Wo bomb pay via Niaka than the Diako that not didn't change. Then I may say she was this just what my sensation and me pecanzo.
Everybody give glory. Yes, so when I'm your mini nanny. I don't want me. See your baby. It's the other baby.
Put the blame on God. Now me mama turn force, but still I me pray turn forward. I feel na me hunya wonya me ya mama no for try comport. Cause madam for na wonya dada be. Ne mama ne papa will be and never turn jot. But we are dear my chain ne report. Me kai me the J mu she ne go abanso. Pampenye ne fu so ka sembi. So when nipa da se ni bia ho onenso. Yes me ne aban ne wo wentwi. Na se dum so buy na me kan ya. Inflation crash on me bosso. Inti and there me da can name na me babe ko school free dia. And me teacher mama mo fa me born in cheme na na to aso.
Everybody give glory. Yes, so when I'm your mini nanny. I don't want me. See your baby. It's the other baby. I give you praise, oh bro.
You never fear.
You deserve what you glory, bro.
Charlie, bunko to gena kompai boom. Ebiana bibi wo hwa wo pese wonya mesesa wo bra boom. Yes. Obrani yesuku anka wonu paka waka wo saitom. Forget ni panado ye bi na wo be ya ye ne wo dom. Omo pese ye damu ko wo mbo mu ni mu ni ewu.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I tasty. If it's a meteor, Cabana Costi. Now, I can FM 93.3. Hey, easy.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yeah. I want to see you shake it.
You know, say money no be problem. Honest on the block. Alright, I'm back again. You know what time it is? Straight up. Alright, what's up? Listen. I bank him another him, I miss him. Michelle, she been on the froze, so win you now. I come off and not to chill me, young Mimbuna, and with Simba reason, and the real day, Juma, or Pieball, what did that dear great Jima, what a Tama, Tama Fahin, Tibunematema, then my Papa dear, Nepa Passukurapoma, I guess I'm in the jail home, poor Biasoma. I shall win up about the young Conqua, just some pipe, perfume rice, one genoa, but Tema Bobuano, Mini Bin Timamua, one no Jamabakari, eh, Billy Patakwa, as I see that they be a one over near my papa, Via, Mosiamu, to Fiaka, as on to be a man, Sakana de Yamia, the hope I came out to 5 Lady Bianca. If you want to join my brother, if you get you man, be too fair. So to give you a bar. And this under your puma. Yo, now don't see what's a champagne. I have done to still I go maintain. I bet shoot is skin pain. The group in them, your guy complain.
It's the way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me.
Money no problem.
When I see about the mess up, baby, why you they do me so? She they mash up my head, oh. This girl they go they make her go colo. Hey, the way you did be my speckle. This girl could they kill me.
It's been a long time since I saw Millicent, but she will always be my number one chick. Cause I put a mini bow, no one on the team. I say, Charlie EL, go back out, Joe. Take a hook up to Manopa. If it's an abudi, sing a suja for so far. Then time penny pim. If it's an America, and so one of the fan of who want to be buatupa. But here, whoa. Hold on, come on, and you will see you, which you become on the crowd. But you go to the figure when they were carved flexi. And the baby do, and I'm in a nigga until they didn't be the key. At the tinny fee, or to what that's here, and in the near beer. I will give me listen to the new fee. Come a tidy diagram as a were bad need. Now, I don't know my brother.
And they call me Eugene. Call your mommy, make I call my mommy. Where they everybody they should hear what I have to say. My baby, pretty baby, oh my sexy lady, I can't wait for
Samputuma petre, Sampatama Zuku, Wangana not the share. Whatever, whatever, nobody, wanna be nobody, and nobody, wanna be nobody, one chogobi, wanna be chogobi, one chogodi, Sampatama petre, Sampatuma puchu, Sampatama pocho, Sankatanga puchu, Sampatama pepe, Sampatana pumpu, Sampatana pepe, pre, you go better, pre, you go better, Solomon, you go better, Solomon, Tega mundo godo, tantede, ambagadum digin, Sagadum bodabim, Mampana madama pum, podo, some pompe, prpa, bottom, potting giddy, spapete, podom, Sampatama putu, Sampatama tendeta, Sampatama luku, Benze,
Chini, Banco Kumasito, Bekoti, Congress. Ye future abodom, be capital town, Chini, Banco Kumasito, Bekoti, Congress. Ye future abodom, be capital town, Chini, Banco Kumasito, Bekoti, Congress. Ye future abodom, the capital town, Chini, Banco Masito, Bikoti, Congress, ATB, Faso, Banco Masito, Bikoti, Congress, ATB, Faso, Banco Masito, Bikoti, Congress, hey, Banco, that's sorry, yeah, make my sister, hey, Banco. Money, I can say from the Masugu Sway. This is a true story. And I see some show.
Right, so and then you may Ghana best I debut. And I was in a boakra. Ghana by the bar. And then you bring you and Kanya the go. Pulele, yes, I can. I got out and see and tell. Pulele, Eva, yes, I can. Eva, are you a bomber? Yes or no? If you're a friend, make I know. Boys, we go carry. Party about them, feel them for body. You the feel them for body. Right, in Tiano, only baby I call. Mama can't say I could enjoy. And now, per se, we share Ghana Blasters match. And I will need you. Not just a party over there, now football matches by our Fedia. And Joe, I think I from here, Corner Nest Palace. Here, Corner Nest Palace. Medical ban, what is scalateral do billy aqua give them see now in kind of Fuegina, the Joya Corner Nest Palace, Old Chubesi Sport. Ghana Blasters versus Gabon game on exactly 6:30 p.m. Now you drew how the dada. It's the part of Brother Kayon. The Nanas Palace is the Joya Kamba and Kuma Mutu for Funi Jolofone, Baraya Chini, Chicken Wings, Hona Benya Papa. For show, there are several all kinds of food and also in Zambia, Pasau to Chimbia, Nanas Palace, Old Chubesi Sport. It's in the Black Stars game on. The last I don't know. Sebekoya ene, enkoya ene. Yabebe fia ene. Yambe fia ene. Menimunenti say the whole Ghana is talking about Mohamed Kudus. The patrol Kudus no na game nation sana. And I said Kudus Babobia, I don't know why people are saying that Kudus me patrol me. I don't know, but I'm asking. Boys, we go carry. I don't pay me share TV station, me no mu yi ni games bi. No mu chese o Jan Fifi hono ma. Pass o babo o Jan Fifi hono then Thomas Partey o timi mbo pass sana. So timi bo, still na Morocco no me yen. The problem is our striker. It's simple. The problem na your striker. Enye Fifi hobia. Your striker na. Me patro unim Mami boy samuye investments no, in fact investors no muntie. Ene no men kase kotwa o men kase men kase kotwa na ene anto na de, but I feel say Gabon be shot first goal. Me patron men come Blasters the chief first half. Blasters they can disappoint you. Men come Blasters the chief first half. Let's say I make us answer minim say yet they will start Jordan you. Now must start Jordan so ultimate can just Jordan will score a goal. Your striker won't mean she go first half. No credit, no credit. We are not hating on the Black Stars or we are not hating on Jordan and you, but no credit back. Your striker will on to me shall go first half. And I must remember, your striker will on your striker shall go first half. Debbie. I took Black Stars at you first half. I just almost started different striker. Now Jordan Pound here. And they ever caught you Messi. Nanas Palace. Share live commentary. Yeah, Gina Muniadia. Ube who me wo. Ube who shabu be who kobike. Ube who nanato pan. After sports team in our baby. Obrim Pongo Pokuari. AJ and my brother Joshua Kobina AJ name. Debbie, how Antony you cause the skakala bologbo didi hey where the car Masama kani ani dum nyauda fantini bum Debbie ko chika grab you mommy boy masingi di go gele wa agada mi toga mi fejo wa skata bo gele 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 wa Masama kani ani dum nyauda fantini bum itumana swa happy birthday, guess your point, come on, happy birthday, and come on, baby, I do birthday there. Share the same birthday with Philip Behu. Of course, school near some papa, you want some, who need that. Philip Behu, son of composing, Ghana national anthem. God bless our homeland, Ghana, upon in the Troy. What's your Asian birthday? It's wild do birthday, maybe I want Philip Beho. Philip Comic Beho. And share the same birthday. And happy birthday in advance and come on Juliana Erajua Bruni. Juliana Erajua Bruni, daughter of Kobe K. You will be 2 years tomorrow. Sweetheart, Yankupon Shan on your cassia. Nabayeti true. Ada your berempon. When you saw fine boys and Kwana Batata. Sabi. You're a foolish boy, yeah. That's out of point here, my boy. Are you a bum? Fix man capsules. Boys, we go carry. Fix man capsules. We ever can't ask my mama about your fix man. Just a boy be and as a man be our fix match be our patcho drew a fix man capsules. Fix man capsules. I was so pepping over. I bet you will see Simon. And I'll find your back pain and I know my be a tit will be a man to me where you my premature ejaculation. We'll do a fix man capsules. I bet one with now fix a match and with my 3 points plus 3 goals. On San Kirby. You want the capsules? And obviously, you want the syrup. Fix man capsules. You want fix mala. Mixture in so fix mala mixture. We treating malaria. Affairs of fever, dizziness, and general body pains. We'll do a fix mala mixture. Mount San Kirby is here. You fix Arabella. Fix Arabella ointment. Also, I am my skin rashes. And I hit rashes and I foot rot near the Nentema Pro. Maybe I chop ointment need be put you Nentema as a wash on Pabua. Vanessa Nantemo and Pro, Honso and Mom. Available in all pharmacies and also comical and herba shops. Local Kanshia, when you be King's Walk herba, Angel herba, Nana Watch herba, and Alfredo. Kobidia Enterprise. A shaman when you be a warrior wisdom herba, Kaswa, Tribe of Judah. Chimoda Groman de baby Abenybiato. For bulk patches, the patch of fix herba. Or Venta Catamanso. 0208444422. Hey, number you have a family 0208444442. 0208444442. And I say 0302 902 071. 0302 902 071. Now 0208 444442. I see and draw big catch up with some no TME LPM now who say man one for baby. Instead of some come brooms, me see blooms. And I'm see there be any brooms, a blooms. BLOOMS. Man can BROO. What is it? The Blooms workshop, bookshop. Why am I feeding me Bampalampala? Blooms bookshop and trading enterprise. Never be a school. Never taught books at that school. Never taught textbook, exercise books. You find the stationery in over top of a pandia. Now we'll call Bloom's Bookshop and Trading Enterprise. I want a chamoda. They are wholesale now first refill. And the scoop pride dress, I would tell me 7%. Over top books in the Koguma Soy and balance with me proper ready. I'm about your soy is here. I watch chamoda. Opsi Ghana Commercial Bank. Trains is here 0244 293628. 0244 293632. 0203 083 031 0244 293632 020 308 3031. Madam in pen number ya na ba ko peti repeat it was idea me pesa ate say manager number men pe 8763 alama men pe kra manager number men pe kra I will do my tail. I will come now. What down? I am money with that. I'm money my veteran. Money Saudi and fight. Hello, hey Baba, hello, hey Baba, I see how DJ Shabu is playing music and see how you are dancing. And they just imagine so what fine kind sounds are. What they call event now, you trust me. There was super duper DJs. Super duper DJs over here. They brought my kind sounds. For engagement, or wedding or birthday parties, or adoring graduations. In fact, the flow to Kranamo Kokra. Hinkan sounds got you sorted. About Hinkan sounds for where you from. For your program, no pon. 0543 350934 0543 350934 0542 741651 0542 741651 Press is here and I said Brahinkan FM. Your reception about social show Koto. One about no phones is here. You bolo. Koto no wife of Manamu. Wife of man. Your coffee banners no Koto wife of Umbrella sausage on Famba. Your foolish mind, man. I'm a dear back clinic. Our dear back clinic about of fire rainy alcohol if you want to ask your mouth. Infertility, typhoid, syphilis, hypertension, kidney problem, gonorrhea. My dear hair back clinic, but me abuana affair. I will two assay the amount now. Who's what talk come up. Friend penny 0244 877 0205 045 665. I'm a dear Zebra. I want 2 years and a amount. Obviously, that's your home service treatment. And just home foul the fear of a baby boy. Yes, tones are afraid. That's as for so don't want Francas. Yeah, my pony. I'm a dear back clinic. Why are you safe here? You watch more than opposite gas filling station. You may have been come on. Yes or no? If you don't make it no. Party about them, feel them for body. Feel them for body. Party about them, feel them for body. Feel them for body. Right here, then come on, I can't press a minute with you know. The legendary time. Right, so me person me know kasa about me person me can say me show about Kwesi P. Yes, Kwesi P. So he was born Kwesi Opoku Adey. Kwesi Opoku Adey, better known by the stage name Kwesi P. He's a Ghanaian high life musician. Kwesi P is mostly known for his smoothing voice and has 5 albums to his credit. In 2007, he won the Best Male Vocal Performance of the Ghana Music Awards. Kwesi P was born into a music family. His father is a Jeku of Yamoa and Susu Mistake Band. Now, when he said Kwesi P, I can say Ninuya and a cousin and the rest Omar. Anyway, Kwesi P. Right, Kwesi P, ni cousin and the rest Omar. Now, when he said Kwesi P, Ninuya Ketwa and the Chris Waddle. Uni me wa, Makachawane. It's a new me a day, your boy and your friend Kwesi P. Ninuya Ketwa, a Chris Waddle. And the cousin. The rest Omar. Ne papa wono. A Jeku. Ono so no ya nyum tuni. Onim ne pa. Iti o share the music career say on ne papa or joining the papa band no. Number Bobia later on he left the band to join the Sikadra band of Nana Tufo in 1994. And later a movie from Nana Tufo band and so joining Joel Aka and so band no. He joined Joel Aka and the Beautiful Six band. Then on to London with his father, where an album titled Name Ye Odo was released in 1998. Kwesi P has released 5 albums, including Krokrome, Akonoya, and Nyaneme. 13-track album which featured TikTok, Konti Hene, KK Fosu, Furian Ponsa, and I feel so feature ne papa Ejeku on that song. For the demand and tin in Kabiem. He was off the music scene for a while, but came back to release Mabre with Yaya in December 2018. So on the legendary hour, Kwesi P, this is a fact you may not know. Kwesi P, Ninya Ketwa, and Chris Waddle, the cousin, ARS Omar, the papa, and the musician legendary Ejeko.
And I'm baby. Nobody don't me.
show music of Kwesi P. Kwesi P na fe. I would say the guy. I mean, can I say you say hi? How are you doing? Akosua, please. Today I want to see you at Efiam Pofwa at Nanes Palace. Cosmos, I'm really disappointed in you. But thanks for your message. May God bless you and the good and the God. Alright, so she's saying Nakopon Emma Meningi Debia. Inis, my other. My then also you're disappointed in me. Hey, Miss Mamma Wow. It is why you're disappointed in me. It's good that you may Maisha on Nanes Palace. My patrol, so Babia, you went in a me because Eunice, I really want to see you. They be attacking me on radio. I want to see you. It is about Mammy whom Mamma so the my baby dear. There's a good morning, Governor Costi. From your girl, Fire. Okay. There's a good morning, Bra Governor. How are you doing? I'm a fair part listening to you live at Abo. Greetings to Brad Nelson. Alright, this one says, good morning. Yes, of course, it's a blessed day because of the good things you do for us. And kind number one, we appreciate the good things with us. I say, Charlie Costi, today be today. And now football, no dear. A better power. The correct score is 5-1. Okay. 5-1 against one. Against Ghana or Gabon. And now Muhu beautiful football Ethiopia boy. Charlie teams now about Afcon Munya. They underrate you Obiao. Mamon Castle Morocco, the only strong side into no share. Gabon, don't underrate Gabon. You because they say yes striker na ya one. I was striker no.
Correct sound.
Hey, I got what you do.
I beg you, don't be
no wonder Ramessin is the Cho president. Yeah. Cho be a Cho, natural Cho, artificial Cho, and everywhere spiritual Cho.
I say no worry. As long as you know what try.
See, we still alive, we still breathe. That's what you way I believe. Hey, God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go loud, you go worry the neighbors. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. God no go shame us. The blessing go loud, you go worry the neighbors. Alright, so Akosia the body mass just walked in the studios. And she's seated already. Oh, me and the iPhone 11, you know. Yeah. Eba.
You the fella.
Yes,
Me di me nya to suye. Erade mami momwe, me so frewa mami dete. Mami dete, so me frewa bro. Nya me frewa bro. Wa mama ya wa. This year we no come to play. Tinya me frewa. This way, say wa mama ya wa. This year
Akosia the body mass at transit. Akosia nya iPhone 11 Pro Max. O my young drain ho cry with me ha.
This year more like last year more vibes. This year Friday bedtime. Yes, we say me I saw the back. That's so Saturday.
Been can chat the pod master say men am iPhone tia.
I want all the battles.
Men am iPhone tia.
You will where MDK.
I'm find check as buying command brand here Sammy. A brand here Sammy. You see what here Danny's driving school ha. Pama dewo Joe. Reach out. I want to say a brand here Sammy. A big shout. A brand here Sammy me ba no pump style shem why. Akosia at the Papa Dumas. Akosia at the Papa Dumas.
Kwabena Kosti.
Hey, at the Friday, they shall be made to pound. Eva, papa, 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 someone call pam, 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 and I know. Blasters. Eva, blasters. Eva, papa, Ghana blasters, Eva, Ghana blasters, Ghana blasters, Ghana blasters, Ghana blasters, Ghana blasters, Brava. Be fair or Nova, yeah. It's so difficult, be fair or Nova, yeah. And now, November, this is a Pabu, Baba, and now, November. Charlie Mafia School. Yo, my guy Costi, today I be Nana's Palace. I said the phone in any bag of Nana's Palace, how about that anyway? It's all about Ghana Blasters.
And the Blasters,
Mamma, your commentary. Mamma, your commentary.
Yanko.
Rice, you want to put a Gabon. I can't see my Gabon no mati, just see. Vacuum, and Numiaza. What chance you want to take about David? One of the Blaster players look at him.
Abrantia, who didn't for Nusan and your better. Abrantia was number 3 years.
And your one of the Abrant was number 17 years. Ukrabon Musangana Blasters, you had a Kumia Sadebi. One every season. Next, we are Sergeant Bonnie Ghana Blasters. And the one Ekutaya Abrantia, the day are you. Okutabon opportunity where they were long past the day are you, owners. One was up, papa. The day you are Bob Tan. What a David Jordan are you, Moa? Jordan, you are Bob Tan. You are torturing baby. Bonnie Asabas will be a good Gabon. Gabon in Aminchino Bakumia and some papas no. Next one, one Abedia Thomas Pate. Thomas Pate on Fifi, one on Bakumia and some watching. Hey, why Aquane Bob Papa. Well, you catch Bakumia and some said him to take Yama. A Baba Raman, what you know. Baba Raman, so I day. Baba Raman. Aquano, dear Debbie. Also, another Elfun player back all Blasters. Baba Raman was such a will be our groma. Wababa not watching. 1 year draw about 20 Ghana Blasters. Yatu one decimal. Gabon for no so dear Georgia. Womoso another Elfun team back after on the money. Omo lucky be no Munyana Mudi William first. In
fact, we are good.
Oh, so.
And I was here a sports of when I was on my trans.
I was on my commentary.
Sir, I was on my trans and no commentary. No way.
But Jordan, you are some uniform.
Now, was a party you're good.
Pate a very good player.
Sir.
Very good player. It's me oh, say who's a football there. Thought that utiminya ode. Thought that answer. But Jordan the mamon kase onyani dey. Jordan nya striker. Oh massa. You pego enye player bottle one man after no clinic akosro ye pe go obo life onko bo life no check akosro
that Asamoah Australia na yi sa
no she go Asamoah otwe kosro a o she go
the Jordan so
no the club team gra go se no Ashama the club team go se other pass form na 19
eh wona we hit wo yi se na de na blast start for ya tran ye ka Gabon no abef intent mo bete ye ka kire mo se munnim na munnim na Bible no kwafo
oh boy befa oh boy befa ebefa
asoma Bible no kwafo aka munnim na ebem
ebefa
ene de mo manim fa na mafo ni best Bible no kwafo se mo etiwe me ha won kwatwa be
unim say ya first match no obudi Foster unim say
sa
oh Foster Moody Foster 2.6
ayo
ano peme bed mouth or the reception on mo kuta paper bit or trot dey or trot them say Foster it will ya say
Bible no kwafo aka say
ade kawa sonson kawa ndi usuro o wa na omo andareti Gabon yan hwe ade
ye se na de
betimi ahye obi abo say se Ghana be shego a enye Jordan you
why
obetimi ebikwa keeper no ka betimi ebia kwana bi na gifa na we pema hye
wala koto se wan wan betimi
hye yan kan no kre just strike away as also the ball one top on it there I have a problem just strike away onya strike out ball one top onye Asamoah mu like onye strike the ball one top simple and I just say ball 4-3-3 now what I say na nim oye miensa now one top the Jordan you there well see for me now my me friend check say ma Nash
yo tia Nash
and me buy first and first person you can say me paba na nefe
sa oh Nash say Christmas no cry o ma akantera bi o
nti paba ya sheme sabo me buy on kan o paba no nice pa Nash
ene okwa do de nyama bo okwa US na okwa Germany
okwa UK
o
se no nam landing kakra na fi o hwese na nyoma ne kona na was over down yeah it's in paba na shem no o de free UK na o de buy o se men kan che school kwala ne awofo ne nya so o de paboa school dia bebre di no open paboa to a UK paboa de mu da ho efe pa
na paboa no so ene se wo to na akotetiu
David na say UK paboa de hwede shemi
obu okofa
meet me mama na so dia kam mama na so da check Facebook no kam de check camera no ba minyan kan na me ro me ho na kam da corner next palace ya ba me ro me ho because of ade we
ba tempaboa ne de me ro ne de
if you ampofo make up so and I am atade uzero if you ampofo make up si form ne ko
me si form a wo se atem da ha ye wo school pon wa ha na school pon ne mo no
school pon say then school pon
nto ayi atem da
tertiary
oh
say yo Metco yo odan Legon
no de wan
and then necessary training no and then Wakim State University College I think say yo Hopkins necessary training
mu ba ko corruption esi wo
esi school mo
penifo ni bi ena te se wo mo efa contract se de jinkwada ni sika
na tertiary institution
tertiary na ban tue wo mo kana
e wo krom
ha na nka ade tonfo kakra so betimi aton ade ka gon se nkwada na iko school akwabena e wo se wo mo toto niema bi
ne de
enti niema de beto tertiary for na bi to t-shirt white
and you teacher teacher and you
training college for no enti o to t-shirt white na wato down we bia p-pant bia no wa yira ka ho na sa t-shirt white ne p-pant no achechefo na akwatam na omudidwa e wo school na dwa no so omudiri kura ha nipa adwen sane wo na wo pe na wo se me kira de ntime part time business akan wa enye obi asem enti se wo di wo dwa na bebi odwan pe na ode ne ho twi na me nso me student me se me nto wo ho na mo me fi nkran ba nkran de ne mo afo fofulafo t-shirt wo be ko na egu table so 522 cd na ma di mi t-shirt 2 cd aba wo se wo mpe tentina me meto de 30k 30 cedis no
e wo school mo
ade ya
enti fa say me na me di me t-shirt white da ba school mo
eno wan to school wanti won kan wo be kofie anase wo ba beto
na ne nya t-shirt
Debi what say wan to ne nten wan to school mu ho
na de na teacher for bi
enti no wo be kofie na ade na wo ton no so no anu odin awofo ne bi omo de omo ma kwonkwada ne from ma me no sa anu odin ade wadanfo sa na yesuban ti ana
da bi nya wadanfo suban
anam se wanya na mi se na we ye wadanfo suban so se sai
da bi nya yesuban
anya yesuban wo se oh na de no krampo da ba wo fefin kran kwa se bia ebia ye France 5 cities
tio sisi ya teacher for ni bi ya ma nyoma bia ye basa hwe ye ma me mo market some complain say ye ntade enti no ye bia school na say fresh years bia no freshers can we ka first year na me the fresh their friend if it's first years and say freshers no eko na bia omo be cash out wo we mo say bia on be to t-shirt amai na say omo nto because you see move to school ma na yes not to complain say aban na ma kroma ye dia mo na mama kroma ye dia na sa aban na ma kroma ye dia
ise ko de ente kra no o meton underwear ni ade nyina
oh David demonstration ka ye be ye wo kroma no
enti enkola no kra no wo ma akofo fro no kra no
enti p-point ni
underwear na wo meton bi wo school wo me de be kan nipa o se wo de be kan wa ton sati wo koto na wo ka se mento ne board yo so wo de ko be san ba underwear
we cry waka che mi cry ye pon a wo say ye de nesi form na ye hwehwe nyoma wi na ye hwe because ultimi nkofa ntade megu
school mo say we nya private school we nya private we ya ban
ya say aban na ma authority say ye
de wo ye no tenchena chen at once by force wo be to me
meet me family en free ma ka james man so want
wo de no ye white na eni afa kra chen ne de na onhye
ade ya want to ho
ne nchen ne bo so odin
Africa
ne bo so odin wo say wan to na ukofie na san ba obeba no wan hwe a underwear ni na beto ne nchen
beto underwear nya o
na de be man beto boxes wo ho wo meto ayi wo ho supporter white no o se me man wo ba ku bi white
o me wo ba ku ofie
white up
ai gbe for ye ni o se me ai gbe ni ti
pantalon you know mo beto
kakaka ni
kakaka no mo beto e man so se ma mi ni mo e man so bu on mo mpa hoaten no enti ene ma mi ni mo de ne no pa
adagblagbo no e de fa na adagblagbo sa point kakaka bi na ma no she no
na kata otu nyina
e fa na adagblagbo
but yan fa grow to nchen ade a wo bi ye enya na no aduane kakra na ya san tene tax no ompe because nipa no a woton ade no wo market no ekofo mba no wo bete tax enti wono no kama ne nton na wo hu se tax no wo twa so
wakati ba te sama Florence ko fa no mamba se ya
ma be go se ya
o se mama nton na mi obi school mo ma Florence aboka mama Florence aboka
enti sa wo se na wo ton wo school mo no wakati ba ya te kakra but ayi no enema na wo ton school mo no obi anwu se wo aban bi anwu se wo ton ade wo ntinya de oba bete tax bi ya wo no enya de wo bete nti lipa kona wo ye sa de no school mo no
enche ba wo so
mi mo school ni di
mo school ni di ba enche ye ba no so enche
ye sofi ha pa ye ba
so if said this year na wa cash out and next year on cash out
this year krabo ni aka no eniema na won ton wie no anda we na wa kofa be kan no
ebe ye
oka ti ebe ya jai wo ton so aton ne se de adwom ya ton ne sa pepepe fa man kwada no ena nipa no so de bi fifie ba
who go school ha na he o so mu t-shirt wana
wo se on
na go school
da bi o kwa ya de bi ho na
na wi ya ba ko
entino se o wanted to
e camera ni menza umbe school na kan wa se
ba kan be bo school ni
David ja o fecha camera ni benya gina ho why ye pon no
eti school na wo kromu an tertiary institution na wo kromu an nipa kono nim no ho enti ade na nipa no ye no nyai obeton so ama na nya na 1 by 4 za tentina chen wo de bi fifie ba me ma wo hura school mo no so far sa nipa na nya admission wo school mo no e wo so ma no ye den eba
na saban ton ade amfini fie ba
na enema na wo ji wo school mo de ni nya bebe pa ba ma ne betena ni school mo na wo nsua de enti sa de a ye so pe ye ba ho anda we no ya be dia chicha ma school for no
mega bi kra ho kra so me ji anda be ses de man I was there on Friday yen show on next palace anyway ya be live commentary Ghana Blasters and Gabon From a Jenny Champion Boating Cosmos. As like I said, Command Pa, Dumas, Kobe K, DJ Shabu, Mr. Charles, and not upon the first. From a Cobina Costi, a brand of the perfect gentleman. Come on, Sambrani, football talk about you, my old Chabe, when you make Bema Jemme, Igru, Abuji, Toddy.
Wonder!
I may have never say she am a crew.